On today's first look, we have a 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback Custom called GT427. It's lot number 1345. This custom-built 1965 Ford Mustang, known as GT427, had a no-expense-spared, elite-level Pro Touring build with approximately 20,000 hours invested. It's powered by a 5-liter Ford Coyote crate engine fitted with stack injection and a Motec engine management system backed by a Tremec TKO-600 5-speed manual transmission with Hurst shifter. It also has a Moser 9-inch rear end out back with 370 gears and a Wavetrac limited slip differential. This 1965 Mustang has custom JME all aluminum front suspension with CNC removable subframe, a Watts Link rear suspension, and Penske-designed coilover shocks on all 4 corners. Stopping power is provided by Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes with nickel-plated 6-piston calipers and 13-inch cross-drilled rotors. Now, this car's build has an extensive use of carbon fiber throughout, including the hood and hood scoop, the roof overlay, grille surrounds, the side skirts, the splitter and tail panels, the mirrors and trunk, as well as the engine bay, which is fully finished in carbon fiber panels. The front one-piece front clip eliminates the factory seams around the headlight buckets. Inside this GT427, you'll find a completely custom interior, including GTO-style dashboard with classic instruments gauges, a hidden roll cage, Sabelt Gen 5 Viper bucket seats, reupholstered in leather, has a full audio system with GPS navigation, backup cameras, and alarm, and it also has vintage air conditioning. GT427 rides on Forgeline SC3C concave wheels with bronze centers. They're 18 by 18 inches in the front with 19 by 10 inch wheels in the rear, which are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires. Titanium fasteners have been used throughout the build with exceptional attention to detail and modern engineering integration. GT427 is a Grade 8 finalist from 2023 Detroit Autorama, the ISCA Street Machine of the Year in 2023. It won Best of Show at the 2023 Toronto Motorama. It was a top 5 in 2023 Good Guys of Columbus, and it's been featured at SEMA in the Mother's booth. And the best part about this GT427 Custom Mustang is it's selling with no reserve at our 2026 Scottsdale auction held January 17th to the 25th at Westworld. Go to Barrett-jackson.com, register to bid today, and we'll see you there.